Jim Carrey, the rubber-faced king of comedy. He made us laugh in The Mask, cry in The Truman Show, and question reality in Eternal Sunshine. But suddenly, he vanished. No more movies, just painting, philosophy, and silence. Why would a man at the top of the world walk away? The answer is deeper than you think. The public weirdness. In 2017, Jim gave one of the strangest red carpet interviews ever. He said, "There is no me. There are just things happening."
No. I'm doing just fine. I just
Celebrating icons inside.
celebrating
Do you believe in
icons. Boy, that is just the absolute lowest aiming, possibility that we could come up with. I don't believe in icons. I don't believe in personalities. I believe that peace lies beyond personality, beyond invention and disguise, beyond the red S that you wear on your chest that makes bullets bounce off. I believe that it's deeper than that. I believe we're a field of energy dancing for itself.
Jim, you got really dressed up for the occasion. You look good.
No, I
Was that
didn't
an
get dressed
accident?
up. I didn't get dressed up.
Who did?
There is no me.
There's no you.
No.
We're not here. This is a dream.
It's just things happening. And there are clusters of tetrahedrons moving around together.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's happening in our world right now? Because there is a lot of news that actually is relevant that's not that
Here's
uplifting.
the thing. It's not our world.
None
That's
of this
the
is
key.
real?
Nope.
So you're just passing
We don't
through.
matter. We don't matter.
The internet called him weird, lost, but maybe he wasn't unraveling. Maybe he was waking up. Fame, burnout, and power resting. After decades of being on, Jim took what he called a power rest. No more roles, no more scripts. He focused on painting, poetry, and peace. He said, "I really like my quiet life." Even now, he's selling his massive LA mansion. The final goodbye to Hollywood. Depression or deep rest? Years ago, Carrey opened up about depression, but he redefined it. He said, "Well, depression means deep rest. Your body is saying it doesn't want to play the character you've been playing anymore." What if we're not broken, just exhausted from pretending? The psychology behind it. What Jim did was rare. He disconnected from fame to reconnect with self. It's a textbook example of identity burnout, when the mask we wear becomes too heavy. He traded applause for authenticity, because sometimes healing sounds like silence. The takeaway. Jim Carrey's journey isn't just about walking away from the spotlight. It's about walking back to yourself. Maybe the bravest thing a celebrity can do is disappear.